It's a clean sheet of ice and a beautiful night for hockey. Hi, everybody. James Sabalski along with Ray Ferraro for EA Sports. It is about time to drop the puck. The Hurricanes take possession here on the opening draw, and we are underway. Thunderous hit.
Well, that's inevitable. He had his head down. Got him
Trying to shake loose. He's in. What a save on the play. His reflexes on display tonight.
He's saving them again. There's a couple back-to-back saves.
Edmonton's got the puck here in the open ice. Picked up along the boards by Kane. The Hurricanes have it now. Feeds it on over to Slavin. They try to maintain possession inside the defensive zone. Slides it across to Teravainen. Here's a chance right in the zone. The blocker saved by Anderson.
I thought they worked the puck around pretty good here. They get a good chance on goal, but not to be.
Draisaitl's able to make clean passes that are easy for his teammates to receive, guys. His tape-to-tape zone ability means the puck doesn't wobble or bounce over his teammates' sticks, so they can keep the play going.
Stoppage in play, offside the call.
First game with a new team after a trade, you're trying to figure out the system, you're trying to figure out how the heck you get around the ice, and you don't even know everybody's name.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. We've still got zeros on the board. And a stick break setup. Taken by Draisaitl. Errant pass, and they can't connect. Slides the puck over to Clefbaum. The Oilers have it now. Receives the pass. Great reach with the stick by Kotkaniemi. Carolina's got possession of the puck. Picked up along the wall by Puljujarvi. Carolina's got it now. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. And now he moves it to Draisaitl. And he loses possession of the puck after trying to make one too many moves.
Draisaitl's hands make him always a danger around the offensive zone, but he can't pull this one off.
Slides it up to Yamamoto. All alone! And he makes the easy save. Shea's got it in the defensive end. Poked away at center ice. Moves it quickly over to Hyman. Takes the feed. Here's a blast! And that's broken up. Quick pass across to Simmons. The Hurricanes move the puck in the defensive zone. Oh, violent collision against the wall.
No matter what you do, that's never going to feel good.
And he makes the save on that play. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Grabs it in his own end. Edmonton's in now. Quick feed to Keane. And now he tries to get it across to Martinic. And that's broken up. Scooped up along the wall by Mahura. Sends a pass over. Edmonton's got it from behind the net. Angles it over to Hyman. There's the whistle, icing the call. Big face-off looming. Well past the midway mark of this period. Still no score in this one. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone.
This will help him get out of the zone and rest their players. Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
And he sprints to the bench to get the extra attacker out on the ice. We got a whistle, penalty coming up.
This is always a fine line penalty. You're allowed a little interference, just not that much.
Power play unit comes out for the face-off.
Oh, I love playing on the power play. It's my favorite thing I did. So here you are in a scoreless game. These guys can't get on the ice fast enough for their first opportunity.
Here's an opportunity to clear the zone. And they get it down.
Good communication. They talk to each other. They're in the right spot. They just clear it down the ice.
The Hurricanes gain possession of the defensive zone. And they get the puck out. And on the heels of that big hit, he's being called out.
Stone's ready to go. Apparently the other guy doesn't want anything to do with him.
glide into the face-off dot, and a huge 5-on-3 power play looms.
Hey, this is a pretty lengthy 5-on-3 here, James, and so I like a little bit of patience, but don't just pass the puck around the outside. It's got to get on the inside eventually.
The Oilers gain control of the puck. They gain the offensive zone from the middle. Passes right to the front. Can't connect. Maintains possession. That's blocked. Quick pass to Pesci. Trying to get it out of their own end. And they do just that.
I thought they did a pretty good job there, James. That's a time you can get yourself running around in the zone. They didn't get there.
Pass right on the doorstep. The Hurricanes have it against the wall. And the puck sails into the bench, forcing a stoppage of play.
McDavid's foot speed can make him dangerous, and that's his wheel zone ability. Aho's third eye zone ability is his incredible passing skills and his knack for completing difficult plays to set up his teammates. I'll be watching these two players to see if one of them can really shine for their team tonight. Guys, back to you.
Works it across to Nurse. Moves it to Bouchard. Here's a blast! And we'll get a reset after the puck goes up and out of play. McDavid's ready to take the draw here on this power play. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. And they clear that puck. The Oilers gain possession. Here's a shot. He scores! And he's up and running this season.
Look at the relief on his face already. He hasn't even played many games, but you want this as early as you can. Goalie burps up this rebound here. It comes right back into the shooting area, and the rebound is put away.
The Oilers finally get a goal, and it couldn't come at better timing, Razor.
There's been no room on the ice, and now maybe this will crack this thing open a little bit.
Here's a short pass to Nugent Hopkins. Along the half wall with the puck. Kane's exploring where to play it from behind the net. Moves it quickly over to McDavid. And there's another stop.
Quick reflexes and good positioning to make a couple of stops in a row.
Edmonton's got the puck. With some open space at center. Edmonton's got the puck against the boards. Skates to the crease. Oh, he got all of that. What a save by Anderson. Looking to clear the defensive zone. And a nice job by the Killers on that one.
Yeah, now they can get a change, get some fresh players on the ice.
The Oilers fire blanks on the power play. We're back to even strength here.
I like the work the penalty Killers did there. The power play at times looked dangerous, but they didn't give up anything. And the power play is now over.
Edmonton's got the puck against the boards. Puts it on net. Oh, off the iron.
The Oilers let out a collective groan here on the bench beside me as that puck rings off the plate and stays out.
And the puck pops out of the offensive zone. They'll be forced to regroup. There's the buzzer. 20 minutes in the books. Second period just around the corner. Teams back on the ice after the first intermission. Ray Ferraro, James Cybulski ready to bring you the call for period number 2. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things?
The Hawkeyes are going to have to find a possession game that looks a lot different than that first period. They chased it around, and as a result, they're chasing the game. In the offensive zone with the puck. You know, he's thinking about his next milestone that's sitting 1 goal away.
Quick feed to Kane. And they won't connect on that one. Grabbed along the boards by Pesci. And now he moves it quickly to Svechnikov. Great use of the stick here at center ice. And then banks off a stick. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. Moves the puck from off the bank pass. And that one's broken up. Moves the puck. The Oilers have a hold of it in the defensive zone. And that's broken up by Slavin. Poked away by Barry. The Oilers gain possession along the wall. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Standing tall with the save. Seen a lot of these t-shirts being repped already here tonight as part of the promotional evening this evening. And yeah, I like free stuff. Who doesn't like free stuff? Carolina's won the draw. The Hurricanes will play it in their own end. Tried to make a move and the puck hops away. Puts it on net. Oh, how did he get a piece of that? Still lots of time left in the period. The Oilers lead it 1-0. Edmonton's got it and they're on the attack. Snags with the glove by Anderson.
Good save. Positional save through traffic.
Officials getting ready to drop the puck to get play back underway. They take possession as he locks them up off the faceoff. Kotkaniemi's going to play it against the half wall. Edmonton's got the puck along the boards. Carolina's got possession here in the neutral zone. The Oilers have it in the offensive end. Jarvis plays it along the wall. And that pass can't connect. Puck scooped up by Cuckoo. Edmonton's got it in their own zone. Draisaitl's got it in the offensive end. Puts it up front. Quick pass to Jarvis. Into the attacking area from the left side. Puts it on net. Off the ball. Scores! There it is, Ray!
Part of realizing the dream. Once you've played your first game, now you want to score a goal, but he's done both.
Still excited about his first goal. What's the process with the puck?
Trainer throws some tape on it, they give it to the PR department, they put together a nice little memento and it goes on your wall. When I played, it ended up in a puck pocket somewhere.
Times have changed.
Oh, look at that. Here we go. We got a penalty coming up right here.
There's the whistle. Let's see what the referee saw.
Oh, I hated that, James. As soon as you make this play, you know your next stop is into the penalty box.
Our first look tonight at their power play unit.
This is why you have meetings in the morning. You look at video of the penalty killers. You try to establish what their tendencies are going to be. Push the penalty killers into some place they're not comfortable.
And he's ridden off the puck. Carolina's got it in their own zone. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Stahl. And they turn it over to the neutral zone. Cuckoo's got a hold of the puck behind the net. Gets it out of his own end. Retrieves the puck, trying to kickstart this power play. Slavin's taking it from his own end. And a delayed penalty coming up as he got tripped up. Gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Whoa! It's in the back of the net. They score!
Doesn't take them very long either with the delayed penalty. They're able to score. It nullifies their power play, but it doesn't really matter.
Carolina's given themselves a 1-goal lead and kind of surprising where they're at considering the way they play.
It's like they've dragged the cinder block around with them for the first half of the game. Yet they're in the lead now. Maybe they can ditch the block and get going.
Trocheck's moving it ahead. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Carolina's got a hold of it along the wall. Nice zone entry from the middle. Offside the call. We'll get a face-off coming up.
Trocheck's played so well in this point streak, you know he wants to pile on it.
Aho's looking to win this draw on this man advantage here. The Hurricanes win possession here in the open ice. Carolina's got a hold of it against the wall. And that's stopped by the goaltender. Great save to stay with it. Oh, and another save! And they get that puck down the ice. Trying to get something going here with this man advantage as they start from their own end. The Hurricanes will play from the corner. Battle along the boards. Trying to clear the zone. Grabs the puck here in their own end. Gains the zone through the middle. Tries to connect the pass, but it doesn't go. And they get the puck out of the danger zone. Looking to break out here on the power play. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Nice poke check. Edmonton's got a hold of the puck. And they get the puck out of the defensive end. Last call here on this man advantage.
Yeah, the power play's got to get the puck up the ice with a little bit of urgency.
Wrist shot from the slot. No room for that one to get through. Stall's moving the puck through his own zone. Tries to get it to Johansson. Moves it to Slavin. Nurses. He's got a step.
Oh, he didn't have enough gas to get the shot off. Really good work by the defender to close the gap.
Oh, we'll get some tired defenders as icing is the call.
You can almost see the excitement on his face as he scored his first NHL goal a little bit earlier. Welcome to the NHL.
More than half the frame has been played here. Carolina's up 2-1, and the crowd has been enjoying this one. Oh, and another big stop!
Gonna have to work a lot harder to beat him tonight, I guess. There's two excellent saves in a row.
Takes a shot, and he comes up with it. The Oilers pick up the puck here in the neutral zone. Carolina's looking to break out. Nice fake pass off the boards. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. Denied by the goaltender. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, I won't complain. In the final moments of this period, it's a 2-1 game. Martinez won the draw here in the offensive zone. The Oilers take possession in the defensive end. The Hurricanes gain control of the puck against the wall. Stones him in front. Here's a short pass to Barry. From the left side, they enter the attacking zone. And they can't convert on the play. Tosses it to Stahl. Great use of the stick at center by Barry. There's a hit on the play. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Sends the pass over. There it is. That's a wrap for period number 2. Both teams will get a chance to get a little breather here, and we'll come back. Third period action next. Ready to drop the puck on period number 3. Moment of truth for one team. Here we go. Third period is underway. Ray Ferraro's back down at ice level. Ray, 40 minutes played so far. What's been your assessment of this tilt?
The Oilers have to avoid the panic with the puck at all costs. They've had a lot of possession, James. They just haven't done enough with it.
From right out of midair, he bats it down. Makes a move in front. Great stop by Anderson. Save made by the goalie.
Quick.
Scores! Connor McDavid.
The good thing he one-times his puck. The goalie almost gets there, but the pass is on his tape in the low slot, and he beats him clean.
Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. And now it's grabbed by Slavin. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that's knocked away in the defensive end by Barry. Denies him on a stopper. The Hurricanes scoop it up along the boards. And that's knocked away by Carolina. Puck picked up by Kane. Tried to get too cute with it and loses possession. Nice pass. Breakaway. Oh, what a stop on the one-on-one.
What a great play to get in on the goaltender all by himself, but turned away with an excellent save.
Passes on over to Jarvis. And now it's to Kotkaniemi. Carolina's got the puck in the defensive end. Edmonton's gained possession along the boards. Here's a shot. Turned aside with the glove by Anderson. More than half the period left to play. It's all tied up. Carolina's got a hold of the puck. The Hurricanes will play from the defensive zone. From center they get into the attacking area. Puck grabbed by Nugent Hopkins. And that play's broken up. The Oilers going to work on offense. Grabs the puck in the slot. Taken by Trocheck. Slides the puck to D'Angelo. Read that perfectly with the poke check. The Hurricanes take possession here in the open ice. Slides the puck over. And he makes the save. Great poke by D'Angelo. Takes the feed. Centering pass. Gives them nothing in front. Edmonton's grabbed a hold of the puck. And now it's grabbed by Johansson. Puck scooped up by D'Angelo. Right up the gut into the attacking zone. The Hurricanes gain possession. And now it's over to Simmons. Couldn't complete the play. The Oilers grab possession of the puck.
You don't even need to look up at that $10 million scoreboard to see that the game is close. You can feel it, James. The pressure is on the players to make the right play in a game that has very little margin.
Edmonton's playing the puck behind the net. Taken along the wall by Yamamoto. Puck picked up by Fost. They've got numbers. Big time stop there. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
Late goings of this period. We are all tied up in this one. Martinez won the draw. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Sacrifices the body. And instead of a whistle, it clears it away. Puck grab by Mahura. Stopped by the goaltender. On the attack along the boards. Gardner's lugging the puck. Can't get it to go. Puck's down the ice. We'll get an icing. Who had the edge? Harlan standing by with the answer.
McDavid's been able to contribute by generating scoring chances, and you know his teammates appreciate it. I think he's been the player that stood out for me, guys.
Taken by Gardner. The Hurricanes have it now. Great pressure on the offensive end by McLeod. Can't find his man. Keegan all of that hit. Good reach for the stick to knock the puck away. And now it's grabbed by Stahl. Less than than 60 seconds left in regulation. You'll need more than that to beat him. Great reflexes, another save.
Quick reflexes give him the opportunity to make back-to-back stops.
A big draw looming here in the offensive zone. Nice job tying up his opponent. Tries to feed it over to Aho. And serves up a little knock on the play. Third pass! Not happening. Manages to hang on. Gaining steam here on the attack. From the right side, they gain the zone. Barry's going to play the puck behind the cage. And they keep the pressure on. Dished on over to Trocheck. Keeps hold of the puck. Carolina's got the puck. They gain possession here inside the neutral zone. Oh, what a slick stop by Smith.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
Couldn't complete the pass. And it's turned aside by Anderson. There's the horn. Neither team giving an inch to each other tonight, and so we'll go to overtime next. Kitchener overtime picks in because they are ready to drop the puck. Sudden death overtime is underway. Snaps it on net. Blocked in traffic. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. Icing is the call. We'll get a face-up at the other end.
Aho's got a chance to help his team skate away with 2 points tonight. Let's see if he uses his zone ability and helps them succeed here at overtime.
Aho's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone.
Those face-offs after icings are important. Now you've got the puck and they're a little tired.
Edmonton's on the attack. Puck scooped up by Draisaitl. The Oilers looking against the half wall. Moves it quickly over to McDavid. And that one's broken up. Nice zone entry on the left side. Hangs onto the puck. Takes the shot. And too much traffic in front blocks that one. McDavid's got the puck in his own zone. The Hurricanes move it in. Excellent stick work on the play. Penalty coming up here.
I've sat in that penalty box in overtime, James, and you win, everybody's going to be happy because you're buying after the game.
Takes possession off the draw. Can't save. He's on it tonight. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Makes the save.
Get that flop out of here. He makes the stop, and there's no rebound. Off in the corner it is.
Carolina's got control of it now from their own end. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. And that pass goes off a stick. Sudden death and under 60 seconds to go here. Game on a stick. And that somehow stayed out of the net. And we got a delayed penalty coming up here. And there's the save. There's the whistle, and here's the call.
This whole bench is hoping the penalty killers can come up with a great effort here in overtime. Down a player, this is a tough spot.
The Hurricanes will go to work here in the offensive zone. Shafts the puck away. They score! And that'll do it here tonight for this one. The freshman sensation scores. Team wins. You didn't get that W when you scored your first goal, did you?
No, I actually have...